And hello everyone, and welcome back to this MakeCode for Arcade live stream. Today, my name is Pelly. I'm an engineer at Microsoft.
My name's Emil.
And Emil is going to be driving, and today we're going to build some really cool game on MakeCode Arcade. This is arcade.makecode.com. You can do that in your browser, on your computer, your iPad, your tablet, your phone. All right, Emil. What are we doing today? Let's go down to the coding skills and see what skills we can acquire. Coding game concepts.
Yeah. I think we've done all
We
these.
done Bouncing Burger,
But we haven't done this.
Starfield.
Is that just the effects? Oh, okay.
Let's try it.
I'm small.
If it's a review of what we already know.
Yeah.
Doesn't look small.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna do our own. That's cool.
Yeah.
Having stars moving in the background of a series is a very effective way to show motion for a game that's set in space. Stars filling the screen as moving projectile can create an illusion of a player speeding through space, even if it remains at the same location in the screen. That's cool.
On game update.
So we're gonna do something on game update. Let's click on the hint and see if we're done.
Yeah. It's the only.
Oh yeah.
It's the only thing in the game.
Oh yeah, we're in tutorial mode.
Yeah. I haven't done a tutorial in a long time.
From sprites, set the projectile. So we're gonna create so all these little stars are gonna be projectile, I guess. And we're gonna have it.
It has a projectile from.
All right, so Vx is gonna be 0, which means
It's not moving horizontally.
it's not moving horizontally. And Vy is going
Are
down.
we gonna draw? Yeah.
It's going down. Oh, and he's drawing a dot. That was hard.
That was very hard. We can do. And we can put like other stuff.
It's a black background, so a black dot is not gonna work
Ooh, I right
that
click.
great. Oh, you right-clicked. Oh, you tricked me.
Here. Let's do.
Oh yeah, we could do a little snow thing. We could come back and improve that.
Yeah, let's just.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll and
I think it's falling down like there.
nothing's going on.
Yeah, no, because it's so small. It's like right here.
No, it should be. It should fall. Where
Maybe
is
we
it?
missed it. Reset.
Is it? Huh. Nothing's going on. Oh, we got it right.
Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to. I don't know. He put it in the corner.
All right. Well, something's going on there. All right, we'll see. And the game's running. Yeah, the game's running. All right, maybe we need more than that. Okay.
Okay. The epic random.
He wants a random speed. Oh yeah, so you don't want these. Oh, they're shooting from all directions.
Because.
230.
Let's see.
340.
Oops.
I think we're facing a bug here. You know what? Let's set the position on that projectile so we know where it is. Add a block. Oh, we don't have that.
We
What
might.
about if you do 1 here? If you do 0. Oh, this is very strange. I've been creating these projectiles. It usually works pretty well. What's going on? Oh well, let's do the code and we'll
Yeah.
go out of the tutorial and then we'll figure it out.
This is 20.
Really?
No, it's not. That is 20.
Yeah.
Aha, 7 my sprite position.
Wait, what is it? Go back to sprite and set my sprite position. Okay. Oh, there we go. We have to position it now. And where do we want to put it?
We'll do that. Probably.
Aha, that's what's missing. So we want it randomly across the x-axis. And it's, oh, there we go. That looks so cool.
That's 0 and 10.
Yeah. Well, we could try to put the screen width, which is 160, or, which is better, because we don't know that, and it's also not 260. We can use a block for that. If you go in the scene, oh, there you go.
That's a lot of stars.
Yeah. Let's go here.
And they're kind of big.
Go to scene. So the whole point is that there's actually a block that tells you this width of the screen. You don't have to remember it. Isn't that brilliant?
Isn't that brilliant? Here, I'm going to change the width.
Let's, you know what? We can use the animation thing later on, or we can make it, oh, there we go. Stylish.
Oh, that looks so much better.
Yeah.
In a way.
It's like blurry.
Yeah.
It's like it feels like there's a problem in the image. All right, let's keep going with the tutorial. At this point, there's way too many stars. I agree.
So I think we did that.
So I think we're gonna use the if statement, and we're just gonna create them some time, but not all the times. Let's keep going. All right, we use a percent chance. Now, how many? What do you want as a percent chance?
25.
25. That means
not that many stars.
Basically, 1 chance out of 4.
Yeah, 1 out of 4.
Yeah.
25 out of 100.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's nice.
Very nice. Yeah, we use random a lot in games. Congratulations, you've done Starfield. Wow, that was easy, and the result is amazing.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a few more things to make this better.
Oh yes, that's so much better.
All right, so there's a few things I want to try out. Oh, no.
We didn't finish it.
I need to do finish. Oh. What's going on?
Ghost.
Oh yeah, and that's actually a very important topic. So right now, these are like first-class citizen as far as their sprites. We're checking for overlaps between all of them. That means we're spending precious, cycle like power. So our game might be glitchy. So what we can do is to tell that these sprites are basically part of the scenery. They don't interact with any
projectile.
Yeah, you're right. So we're going to say, oh, these are ghosts. And that tells us, oh, we don't have to do any kind of math on that. We don't have to check for overlaps. And that's really helpful because, when you run on these hardware devices, then
I
we
like
don't
the Starfield because it kind of looks 3D.
Yeah, let's make it look even more 3D'er. So I'm going to finish this. And let's keep sharing for now. All right, how could we improve this? I have a few ideas.
We could do like different types of stars, I guess.
Yeah. So let's try. So how would we do different types of stars?
Array?
Yeah, let's create an array. And the first one would work. You probably want to do that in onStart. That's going to be in loops. All right, put that in. Let's. And so here's a way to clone your images. You just just grab it out, and I'm gonna put it here, and then we're gonna grab it out. And grab it out again and put it here, and we can edit this.
We can make a bigger way, but we could just start with.
Oh, the inverse. Perfect. Nice. Okay. And now what we're going to want to do is instead of starting with this image, we need to pick a random image.
Projectile to random.
So we're going to create a variable for that.
Star.
Star. And we need to set that star to... All right, so how do we get a random element from an array?
We
So if you go to
get
your...
arrays.
You can get a value at... So we need that. Now instead of 0, we want to use a random number. So we're going to get the good old pick random. And the index go from 0 to 1. But because we don't want to remember that all the time,
Yeah.
we're going to use something else in the array, which is the length of the array. Now, that equals 2, so it's not that easy. We love to make our life a bit too complicated sometimes. So we're going to do length minus 1. But this becomes like a reflex almost. Do these things. Minus 1. All right, mind blown?
No, I think we've done this before.
Yeah.
Okay, let's add a bit more.
Now, let's see the game. Let's see if it works.
Oh yeah.
You need to remove that 0. Just add it. There you go. See if that game looks good.
There's a little bit of a difference.
Is there? I don't see even one.
Yeah, there is. There.
Oh no, there isn't.
Yeah, there is. There's
No.
a difference.
There isn't. Duh. Yeah, now clearly.
No, there is.
All right,
Okay.
let's add more.
We could do with different colors.
Yeah, list of variables are so cool.
Let's do. Where is that? Oh yeah, we don't. Do we have like image?
You know, just drag. You know.
Oh
just,
yeah, I just drag that.
Or you can duplicate. Yeah. Now right click on it. Duplicate. There we go.
So
Yeah, you can do all kind of cool images.
blue and blue.
Yeah. Oh, it's a checkerboard style.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
All right. Kind of all the combinations.
I like it when there's no white. It looks fuller.
Yeah, we can have the 4 of them. That's fine. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh no, but these are doubles, so we're gonna do.
The other way around.
Oh, I did something. Yeah, just.
Oh, wait.
There you go. So it's like that, and it's like that.
Those are the same.
Nuh-uh.
Oh yeah, they are inverse. All right.
And then here,
Oh look, it's starting to look amazing.
we could do with green.
Famous green.
And then this could just
Red
be
and green.
red and green. I don't know. I don't know if that goes well.
Mm,
Red and green.
Let's see what it looks like. Let's go full screen.
Ooh.
Oh, this
looks
looks
so
super cool.
Yeah. The red and green is fine.
Yeah, it's kind of our own particle system.
I like the red. I mean the blue and red. It looks kind of pink.
Yeah. All right, so there's more things I think we can try out. One of them, you know, we can do a wind effect.
See what happens if we did 100% chance. Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, I see it's starting to lag a bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Back down.
That could be 50%.
Yeah.
So the other thing we could do is add a bit of acceleration to the
35, I guess.
projectile.
Oh, acceleration.
Yeah. So it starts falling down faster,
2.
like 50. See what it lags.
Small acceleration.
That's like a waterfall. It's too much.
Too much.
But it kind of gives you the impression
Yeah,
that it's
that
falling
being
off.
sucked.
Yeah.
It looks like it's on a board and it's going like that.
Then, if you want to do an effect of wind, you can put a side acceleration. Let's do negative. Now if we want to do wind effects, see now it's falling off. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it move to the left when it starts. So it starts with the speed. And it starts remixing.
Oh yeah. It's like a zigzag.
Zigzag.
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
It's just subtle is better, so too much kind of kills the effect. Adds more movements to the scene.
Add some more. Is it gonna rain down zeros?
Zeros and images are not compatible, so the problem will just be unhappy and won't do anything.
You could do yellow and red.
Now I have an idea. How about we do animations?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the yellow is nice.
We could animate the confettis.
So they change? But we already have a lot of different varieties, so it looks fun.
Yeah, we don't even need animations to.
Yeah, we don't. It looks good. Let's see.
Ooh.
You can barely tell that there's inversed ones. Here, I'm just gonna add more.
Okay, one more.
One more, yeah. One more.
This was a cool lesson. Oh, you've got a rogue little white dot.
Oh yeah, I do. That's the colors we haven't used. You can barely tell that there's purple.
All right, let's try to put it on our arcade board today. And today we've got the BrainPod Arcade.
Oh, this is not the demolished one?
Yeah, we have a few. So this is the BrainPod Arcade. And it also runs the arcade games. You can find it. There's all the links on Arcade to where you can purchase this one. I'm going to save the link as the arcade drive. So yeah, I'm saving to the arcade drive.
This one's buttons are fun. The buttons are fun to use.
And let's see what goes on.
Reset it. Oh. Nothing. Download again. Okay, bootloader mode. Download again.
Maybe it's an old prototype. Found it in a drawer. Is it downloading?
I don't think so. The screen went black.
Yeah. Let's try the.
Click start.
Yeah, we'll have to fix that one. No. It's probably a development.
Yeah, we have
It's probably a prototype. An old
the-
prototype I found in the drawer.
You have the meow bit, right?
Try the Adafruit because the meow bit is also here. So I'm gonna change the hardware
This
here.
one's fun too and it's comfortable.
Should have tested my prototype device. We'll come back to it in a future episode. I'm gonna go back to PyGamer. It works really well.
The Pygame is comfortable.
It's just that I've been. All right, and then we're gonna click download. And we're gonna be doing
This one actually has a battery,
save link as. Yeah, they all have.
which is cool.
You need to go in bootloader mode.
Oh yeah. What is that? That button.
Button on top.
This one, right? Doesn't wanna.
No? Can I see?
No, that one, right?
Yeah, it's off. You need to turn it on, I think.
See, there's a yellow light there. So technical difficulties.
there's an on-off switch too.
Oh my god. Okay, it's in bootloader.
All right, it's in bootloader mode. Then we save and it's transferring.
Yep, it's blinking.
It's transferring.
Yeah, I think it transferred.
Yeah, we got the snow. It looks really cool.
Yeah.
To turn that off.
Oh yeah, it looks better. Okay.
So that's That's our snow. In fact, let's play a bit with the hardware, you know. If you have the hardware, you can do some interesting things. I'm going to go in the extensions, and I'm going to click on the controller extension, and this gives you extra controller abilities because the hardware device, for example, has an accelerometer.
Encoders.
And now if you go in controller, you'll see extras. And there's a few things you can do.
What's an encoder?
Encoder is something that you turn.
Oh, okay.
It's like the knob on the heater or something. We're gonna let's use the tilting. I'm gonna do some math here. I'm gonna take the absolute value of the force, gravity we measure, divided by 10. And the reason I do that is because this is going to be around 1,000, roughly. Divided by 10 is going to give me something around 100. And absolute value, make sure it's positive. So if I tilt the device, it flows a lot. And if I don't tilt it,
It could be it flows to one side.
Oh, it flows to one side. That's even better. Forget this. We need to make... Oh, this is such a good idea. We need to change the accelerator. How do we do that?
Just put it there.
AX. Oh, that's so good. That's a bit extreme. Why not?
It doesn't even get a chance to fall down onto the screen.
Yeah. Let me make it a bit less dramatic. This is such a cool idea. And then it follows kind of the physics.
Okay.
And it only impacts at creation time, which is weird. But why not?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, let's try it. So I'm going to click download again.
It's downloading. Should I just... I think people know the downloading procedure.
Yes, wait. Save link as. Now, I don't see a drive here, so.
I'm in bootloader mode now.
So Emil's gonna go in bootloader mode.
PyGamer boot.
And you can see now there's a PyGamer boot. And I'm gonna go and click on that and save there. And as I do that, Emil is gonna flip it over, and it's gonna blink.
Okay, just finished flickering. And then we have boop.
Yeah, you have to tilt it a little bit, and you see it's falling. It's falling with the by tilting the device.
Cool.
So we're using here the control extension, and we're using the part of something the hardware has that's not available in the. That doesn't really make sense when you're playing with a keyboard. It's just an extra, and this doesn't really change your game. It just adds more visual effects.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. All right. So that was this lesson today.
And the PyGamer's fun because you can walk around with it.
Yeah.
And you don't have to plug in a battery because there's a battery.
There's a battery on it. It's still running. Our code forever. All right.
The Meowbit too.
The Meowbit too, and actually the
the
brain pad. At least this is an older model, and it has a battery plug. You can put AAA's.
They're all fun.
They're all super fun. All right. I think that's it for today. We did some super cool kind of background animation effect.
Oh, this looks cool when you're tilting the full screen simulator.
Yeah.
When it's on full screen, you can really see the pixels.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Looks really great.
Yeah.
Well, that was great. And
where there's that white dot. Look.
You know, we could do snow and things like that.
Yeah, you can do snow. That's how you have the blizzard effect, right?
Yeah. Kind of understand now how the blizzard works.
Yeah.
You throw the particle one way and then you accelerate them the other way.
Like,
yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching and see you on the next episode. We don't handle the keys, Emil.
Oh yeah.